Hey friends, if you encounter the error we couldn't complete the updates, undo changes, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Troubleshoot and then click on Other Troubleshooters. Click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and resolve them if possible. The next one is to reset Windows Update components. So we have a script for you. All you need to do is copy the script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Now paste the script here and hit enter. I'll tell you what this script does. It stops all the services associated with Windows updates. It deletes the Windows Update profile. It deletes the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders. It will re-register all the DLLs. It will reset WinSock. It will restart the services associated with Windows updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.